Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna do some makeup. Of course, makeup. We're gonna call it makeup therapy. We're gonna talk. So in today's video, it was supposed to be like this futuristic looking look, but I don't know. Every time I have a look in my head, I always do something different. Like y'all see where I was going there with this. I'm like, yeah, it's about to be a nice fire cut crease. I'm about to bring it up and blend it out. It's about to go crazy. So it ended up being a nice settled cut crease. Not too much. Kind of like on a nude side. I don't know if y'all would call this nude. Well, I would say nude because it's like barely any color, but it's still color. So I would say it came out kind of like a nude cut crease, and I still like the look. So now I'm just using a real technique brush, real tex, a real technique brush, just to blend out that harsh line that I created for my cut crease. And now I'm going in with black just to give it some definition to make the cut crease pop. And I'm going in with that same brush and just blending it out. Using a lighter shade for my transition shade, I use the lighter brown at the top just to make it look like it's transitioning from light to dark. And now I'm in. Girl, why am I talking like this? And now I am cleaning up that cut crease because, like I said, I was trying to do something with this look and it was not coming out how I wanted it to look. So I'm just improvising. So now I'm cleaning up that cut crease to add another color on it, you know, so it wouldn't look crazy. So as y'all can see, my skin, I don't know why it got so light. I mean, I already was light. People say I was light skinned, but I felt like I had more brown undertones in my previous videos. But after the surgery, my skin got lighter and everything just was changing. And you'll think I'll look weird because my foundation shades got lighter too. So sometimes I would think I would look light, but then again, it's like, girl, your skin lighten up, so this is the right shade for you. But after the surgery, I've been feeling very well. Some things have been bothering me. I do have trouble sleeping. I don't know if that's like a common side effect, but I do have trouble sleeping because I still see the doctors. Like, is that weird that I still see the doctors in my dream? Because they said once I woke up from the surgery, I was fighting the doctors. But that's probably me watching all them scary movies and stuff like that, thinking the doctors go do me something. But who knows? Because I was under anesthesia. So hey. But now I am cleaning up all of the extra makeup that fell out. Well, they say fallout. I hear makeup artists say the fallout. So I'm just cleaning up the fallout. And now I am creating my wing. Y'all, wings was my biggest problem with makeup. I felt like if I didn't do a wing with everything, I'm not doing my makeup at all. Seriously, like if I didn't learn how to do it, I'm not doing no eyeshadow because I feel like it makes the makeup, especially with my eyes being slanted. Well, people say almond shape. I feel like it just add, some extraness. Now that I finished my eyeshadow, I'm moving on to the foundation part. I just fell in love with painting the foundation on my face rather than like the little squirts, well, the pumps that you do on your face. And by me being like different shades and stuff, I have to mix my foundation. So I have a lighter and darker shade. So I just mix it and just paint it on my face as I was doing previously in my videos. And I feel like the Fit Me shades is to the T because I needed something quick, and I haven't been makeup shopping or anything like that to really see what my correct shade is. Like I really want to use the Born This Way foundation because I've been hearing pretty good reviews about them, and I would like to see a concealer. But once I go makeup shopping, I'm definitely going to make a vlog on everything I buy because your girl do need new products, and your girl is not sponsored yet, but we're going to speak it into existing. I will be sponsored by makeup companies to try their products and to receive their products. So, oh, and another thing, I started using my foundation. Well, I feel like I've been doing that. I don't know. But anyways, I started using my shade to conceal the top of my brows so I just wouldn't have a halo eye look because it's not 2016 with them halo eyebrows. Like, come on now, you don't need no light concealer at the top and bottom. What you doing? But anyways, I'm still painting this on my face, and this is my favorite part. Now I'm using a non-dapping beauty blender just to blend everything out. Now that I have everything blended out, I'm using Tarte concealer, and I'm using e.l.f. concealer too. I like the way this Tarte concealer look because it dries nice and it blends very well. But of course, that's my lighter shade. That's the shade that I would use for a eyeshadow base because it's lighter. But I do love a bright under eye. And now I am using my e.l.f. concealer because it's the concealer that I normally use anyways. So yeah, just creating my highlighted areas. Y'all know I usually don't contour like that. I just use the powder and call it a day. But it's starting to grow on me just because sometimes I like to play with it. Depends on my mood. Like today I just felt like fuck it. Contour. Just do something different. And that's what I usually like to do with makeup. I don't really have um no set routine. I just go as I please. Like sometimes I'll do my foundation first and then do my eyeshadow, or sometimes I would do my eyeshadow first, then my foundation. You just never know. Sometimes I contour, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I use blush, sometimes I don't. I just do makeup on how I feel. And today I felt like being a bad bitch. Okay, I felt like I'm like, if you go do your makeup, do the most. So I'm like, why not just contour and do what I need to do? Blending out my highlighted areas and my contours. Well, my contour on my nose, I used a damp beauty blender. Well, when I was blending out everything, I dampened my beauty blender with some setting spray because I don't want to blend out everything while it's too dry because it look pasty. Like your makeup will look funny. I don't know. It's a look that I can't really explain, but you know the difference when you didn't use it. But when I apply my foundation, I don't like to wet my beauty blender anymore because I feel like it don't really stick. But ooh, look how blended that is. It's blended. Now I'm moving on to adding the color to my face and my setting powder. I use Laura Mercier setting powder and I use the Fit Me setting powder just to add some color because I don't want to look like Casper or Ghost. I like to add a little bit of color to my setting powder so you wouldn't look as light, like powdery, like a powder donut. All right, all right. Now with this part, I always feel like I always go heavy handed, but in reality, it looks so light. But when I do it, I don't know. Maybe my eyes is just off. I don't really like the heavy, um, what I'm gonna say, the heavy cheekbone look. I don't really like the heavy look. Y'all know I like everything real, real light and light, and that's it. I don't like heavy makeup on me at all because I already have bold features and I don't want to take away from that. So I just like to tone down my makeup just a notch. Ting ting ting. That's how I feel every time I put on highlighter. Ting ting ting. Cause it be so cute. Like it just give it that look. I don't know. I just feel like that's just the noise. Ting 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 ting. I wanted to step up this look a notch, so I added some white eyeliner. And I felt like it came out really, really cute. So I think I might start using white eyeliner in some looks because I really want to start creating some looks, like really giving looks. I love my artificial moles. I love them. I feel like it just bring a different look to my makeup. And now I'm adding on my lashes. More lashes coming soon, by the way. I sold out once I started selling lashes. And I didn't expect myself to sell out like that. But I have to definitely order more lashes, y'all. And I will leave everything in the description box once I have everything together. And yeah, I just have a lot on the way. And now, oh, yo, I thought that was what I was supposed to use for my lips. I'm using that and this and that. But this and that is a lip pencil. And I'm using, what is that? Oh, Kat Von D red lipstick to fill everything in. Kat Von D have some nice lipsticks and stuff. She slept on though. I really love the way this look came out. It's very pretty, very vibrant. It's giving grown, giving classy. It's giving, oh, I'm over 21. Yes, I am. But if y'all like this video, give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. More everything is on the way. I have to do a makeup, hair, and an update with my weight loss journey. So y'all just stay tuned. It's just a lot coming your way. Thank y'all for watching.